Hey there! Let's get your Apollo IPTV all set up. We'll have you streaming in under 5 minutes.
You'll just need your device, your welcome email for login details, and a few minutes. Ready?
Okay, Android users, first download the IPTV Smarters Pro app right from this URL and hit install. Next up, tap Login with Extreme Codes API. Just go ahead and ignore those other options. Once it's installed, simply tap Open. That'll drop you right onto the main welcome screen. Now, carefully copy and paste your exact username, password, and server URL from that email, then tap Add User. Give it about 10 to 30 seconds here. It just needs to pull the channels from the servers. And you're done. Just pick live TV, movies, or series and jump right into streaming. Moving over to iOS, notice how the app name and developer are just a little bit different.
Apple users, you'll want to search the App Store for Smarters Player Lite and install it.
Once it's open, the Extreme Codes login process is actually identical to what we just did on Android. Getting an invalid login error? Make sure to copy-paste your details to avoid typos or invisible blank spaces. If channels just won't load, try toggling between Wi-Fi and mobile data, or simply restart the app. Dealing with app crashes? Try updating the app, rebooting your phone, or just clearing out the app cache. To fix any buffering, try closing background apps, moving closer to your router, or lowering video quality. All right, your setup is officially complete. So what are you going to stream first today?